everyone, today I want to show you this incredible air fryer that I just unpacked. I couldn't be happier right away. The size is absolutely perfect, you guys. It's going to be small and compact, so when it's on your countertops, it's not going to take much space. But it's incredible how you can stick it right underneath these cupboards and it doesn't look big at all. As you see, the thing looks absolutely small. Next to a regular appliance that I have, it's just big and bulky. So this isn't something that you're gonna wanna have on your countertop, but this air fryer is. Right away, I noticed how lightweight it is. So this is gonna be nice for anybody to have, especially students in a dorm room. This is gonna be perfect for 1 to 2 people to make a meal. So when you open it up, you're gonna notice that you have this incredible nonstick basket. So this is gonna be perfect for air frying any kind of food, French fries, and you're gonna be able to get it evenly distributed by shaking the basket. Right after opening it up, you're gonna notice this little cardboard piece and it says before you get started. What it tells you to do is you wanna wash the basket from inside out just with a little bit of warm water and some soap, and then turn it to 400 degrees and let it preheat for 15 minutes. Once you've done that, this is ready to go and you can start air frying all of your delicious foods. Another thing after opening it up, you're gonna notice you're gonna get this recipe book. And you guys, this has 50 different recipes. I couldn't be more happy. So what you're gonna get is the prep time, the cook time, the ingredients, and all of those wonderful things. And it's gonna give you pictures to show you what it should look like after. I absolutely love having this because a lot of times I don't know what I wanna cook. So this is gonna give you all of those healthy, fun recipes to make with this. Let's start making some incredible foods and show you how fun and easy it is to do. As you all saw, that was super easy and fun to do, and I now have perfectly steamed broccoli. I couldn't be happier with this, you guys. So easy to use and accurate. One of the things I said I love the most is that it's gonna be compact and small, so sticking it underneath my cupboards is perfect for afterwards, and it's not gonna take up much space on my countertops, like I said. I hope you guys learned something today. Go get yourselves your own smart air fryer and be super excited. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.